Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those that are new, my name is Cee. So before we get into this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so you guys can notify whenever I post a new video. As you can tell by the title, this is a drugstore makeup look. So between Target and Walmart, I was able to find all of these products. These are products I've never used, 95%. But a lot of these products I've never used before, so I'm super excited. This is the outcome. Now if you guys want to see which products I use to create this bomb beat, continue to watch. So getting started on the eyes, I have two palettes. One is the Revolution Reloaded Velvet Rose palette and the other is the Profusion Mauves palette. Both are super affordable, but for this look today, for this drugstore look today, I think I'm gonna go with the Profusion Mauves palette. I really like Profusion because their shadows are pigmented. Sometimes they do have a bit of fallout, but I really love this. First shade I'm going with is Kindly. This is gonna be my transition shade. So next I'm going to go in with the shade Ballad. And I'm also using this as my transition shade and also putting it in my crease. Going back in with that first shade. To deepen the crease, I'm going to go in with Explode. So I'm also going to mix in Moonshine, just a dab. So I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Wear. This is in the shade Amber. I'm going to use this to cut my crease. This is the first time I've ever used L'Oreal Infallible, so this is my first time using this concealer. This also is super affordable. I hear that it's full coverage, so we're gonna see. Sorry guys, someone called my phone, so my phone stopped recording, so sorry about that, but pretty much I did the cut crease in the lid. First I used this shade Femme, and then I used Opal in the inner corner. I'm so sorry about that. So I'm gonna go ahead and I don't have drugstore liner, but this liner came from Shop Miss A. This was $1. So I'm just gonna do a basic line on my eye with this. mascara I'm using is the L'Oreal Telescopic mascara. This is in Carbon Black. Just gonna get them ready for the lashes. While my lashes are getting ready, I'm going to prime my face with the Maybelline Prime Shield. I love this primer. So the lashes that I do have on came from Amazon. It was a 3-pack. Definitely super affordable. Now it's time to get into the face. Now I've never used Maybelline Superstay. I hear so much about this foundation. So again, all of these products that I'm using, I'm pretty much using for the first time. So I don't want to put too much because I'm not sure how much I will need. And I'm using a e.l.f. What is this? An e.l.f. buffing foundation brush. I hope I got the right shade. It looks like I did. But this is in 330. I'm liking how it's looking so far. I'm pretty pleased. My main go-to foundations are like e.l.f. Milani, the Maybelline Fit Me. I believe those are my top foundations. Like I have Anastasia, I have NARS, I have Wet n Wild, but I'm really loving this turnout. So what I like to do is go in with a beauty blender and just press everything in. And this beauty blender is from e.l.f. I believe it's about $3, no more than $5. So definitely affordable. Pretty much everything from e.l.f. is affordable. So that's why I like using their products. Sometimes you might not have money to buy those expensive things. So you gotta go shopping on a budget. Now for concealer, I'm going in with the Instant Age Rewind. This is in Caramel 144. So to blend this out, I'm going to take the e.l.f. Camo Beauty Blender. It came in a set with the brush and sponge duo. This is my favorite. I've so grown to love this. like how this concealer is blending out. I've really been sleeping on this concealer. Everybody uses this. Everybody says how good it is, and now that I'm using it for myself, I'm in awe. And it's full coverage. I'm loving this. Again, I'm liking how this look is coming together. So for contour, I'm going to be taking the Black Opal. Now this is one that I've been using for a while now, and I really love this. I really don't like to do the jawline. I prefer to do the chin versus the jawline. I'm embrace this neck. So I'm going to use the same to contour my nose, and I'm going to use it on a Real Techniques concealer brush. Now I'm going to take the Real Techniques sculpting brush, and I'm going to blend out the rest of this contour. Then I like to go back in with the Beauty Blender to just make sure everything is blended, there's no creasing, and to fix if I feel like I went higher on the contour, it can just fix with this Beauty Blender, and also to blend in any harsh lines. So for setting powder, I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Loose Setting Powder. This is in Banana. Going in with the NYX matte bronzer. This is in medium. So to add a little flair, I'm going to go in with the NYX Glitter Goals. This is in Crystal Ball. I'm going to use that to etch out where I cut my crease, just to add a little Little razzle dazzle. So to set my face, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Shake and Glow Dew Mist. Then for highlighter, I'm going in with the Maybelline Baked Highlighter in Dose Perla. Look how that baby just shine. Now this is what the face is looking like so far. I am loving it. This look looks gorgeous. So it is time to get into my favorite part, which are the lips, the DSLs. So I got a lipstick from e.l.f. This is in the shade Cream. Lord knows, this is the Maybelline Lip Lifter Gloss. I've been looking all over for this, but I lucked up when I did go to Target, and guess what? This bad boy was the last one, so I definitely snatched this up. No hesitation. So to line my lips, I'm going to go in with my OG favorite. This is the NYX Lip Pencil. This is in Hazelnut, I believe. Nutmeg. This is in the shade Nutmeg. This is gorgeous. First of all, this is a beautiful pinkish nude shade, but it just glides on so soft. Ugh. First of all, this smells delicious. But this is also a great lip gloss. It's not sticky, and I don't really like sticky lip glosses. So this is a bomb. I love this combination too. Guys, like, I'm just loving how beautiful this look came together. I've been sleeping on the foundation. I've been sleeping on the concealer. Oh my gosh, those are my favorite things about this drugstore look. And guys, you don't have to spend a lot of money to create a good beat. I definitely just found my whole routine. I'm definitely going to continue using this concealer and foundation. Guys, again, I want to thank you for tuning into my video. Go ahead and comment down below what you liked about this look, what other products you would like to see me use. Don't forget to hit the like button. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So guys, I will see you in my next video. Again, I have some new things coming to this channel, so stay tuned. Bye.